Hello everybody, we are here at Biesse campus in Pesaro. Biesse was founded in the 1969 and it is a leading group developing and distributing worldwide high-end technology for processing wood, glass, stone and advanced material. In particular for composite material, we have a solution to address various market sectors such as aerospace, automotive and many others. Today, we want to finish a carbon fiber component in a single milling process by using a material machine equipment with Hufschmid dedicated tools.
Hufschmid is a German tool designer and manufacturer who serves companies worldwide. We focus to provide process-optimized tools designed especially for new materials. Since our foundation in 1991, we have been frequently requested to mill with the state-of-the-art of advanced materials, especially composites for the automotive industry.
Here we have a material machine, which is a 5-axis CNC completed with a special equipment to guarantee high accuracy, typical for the automotive application. The challenge in this production, it is the manufacturing tolerance that must be completed with the finishing requirement for the surfaces, and we have to do it in a single step.
Still, a big issue in producing composites in series production is to measure them without delamination, overhanging fibers and fiber pullouts. It is quite common that it is still necessary to do manual reworking for each single part because the surface quality after the roughing and the finishing process is still not given. The 066 SMC cutter from Hufschmid eliminates the manual process step and goes even 2 steps further. The end mill is used in a one-shot process and combines roughing and finishing in one operation. The tool geometry allows to dip in set direction and making holes in finished quality by circular milling. In this current application, high-profile automotive manufactured carbon part is completely finished with just one tool. It is 50% time-saving process, especially eliminating the manual reworking, that means time and costs.
We see that the collaboration with Hufschmid let a potential customer enjoy the benefit guaranteed by an integration between the machine and the right tools for the specific material. I invite you to visit us in our worldwide campus to live the Biesse experience.